Good morning. It is Saturday morning and it is 8:08. Another early one for me. Last night I was sat there and I thought, yep, tomorrow is a good day. The weather's not looking too bad. I know it's overcast, but I don't actually see any rain forecast in many places, so it should be a good day. I've decided today I'm going to head back to, I say back to because I haven't been there for such a long time. I'm going to go to Elan Valley and just check that area out again. The last time I went was with my GS 1200 that I had. That was about 6-7 years ago. So I thought I'd head down there today, see what's happening around by the dam, because I heard they're doing some work there as well, and then have a ride around the mountains, maybe head up towards Cliff or something, I don't know. We'll see. We'll just see what happens. But there are some good roads around there, so we'll go and have a look and see what we can find. 265 miles in the tank already, so we don't have to get any more fuel. Should be a good day. I need to set that clock actually. Still says 9 o'clock. Should be 8 o'clock. The nav6 updated by itself. That says 8:10. Feels a little bit moist in the air already, but it's because it's early. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to head out of Coventry on the A45, which will take us down to the M42. We'll go along the M42 and hit the M5, go down a few junctions, and then come off just past Kidderminster, and then we'll head across that way. He was telling me to go the Newtown way from my house, but I just thought, I know that way too much because I always go down that road going to North Wales and stuff, so I thought I'd take another way. So I'm going to hit this way. I think it's going to take us about 2 hours and 50 minutes to get there. It's going to be a bit of a cold one, but that doesn't matter. Got my hand grips on. Got my Ultimate add-ons case for my new phone. I do think that's the best case you can get, because your phone is completely sealed in that. It's got dampness fitted as well, so it's shockproof on your phone, because I know a lot of other cases and holders, a lot of people complained their cameras were getting ruined every time they went over bumpy ground. But this one has rubber all inside, which is really good. You can still touch your phone screen. I know you can't do it with your gloves on, but you can if you get one of those little things that goes on the end of your finger. But yeah, you can still charge your phone, everything's still going, and you can just unclip it. There's a little catch at the back where it clips on. You can just unclip that and carry it around with you in that case if you want. And the phone's really protected in there, because the case is like bomb-proof almost. And the main thing is it's waterproof, so you can keep it out here all day long. I keep it out here all day long in the rain, and it's absolutely fine. So we are right by the NEC now, so if any of you are coming to Motorbike Live, this is where you're going to come to. It's just over there, just next to the airport. Oh, and then we're going to go past the Motorcycle Museum here as well, the National Motorcycle Museum. Okay. So we're just about to get on the M42. There's the National Motorcycle Museum. And now we're going to hit the M42. This is another good week for me, guys. 8 o'clock and out on the road. Wow. Normally I'll say to myself, yep, I'm going to go on a long ride tomorrow, and then I'll end up getting out of bed after 9. And by the time I get out, it's so late. So actually, a round of applause for me today. Okay, so I will let you go for now, and I'll come back to you after we get off the motorway, because we're going to be on the M42 and then we're going to hit the M5 and then we're going to get off, I think, around Worcester or something like that. Maybe not as far down as Worcester, but yeah, I'll come back to you after that, because this is going to be really boring. If I see something good, I'll let you know. If only the motorways were this quiet all the time. Okay, so we are just coming onto the M5 now. I did just put the sat nav on just to see what junction to take. I've put Elan on the sat nav, but you know me, I like to take the short routes and different routes, so sometimes I use the sat nav just for a little while. So we're now entering the A4133. So we're now heading west towards Wales. Elan Valley is actually in Powys. I think that's how you say it. I should know, being as I was brought up in Wales, in Cardigan. Looks like it's taking us towards Tenbury Wells. But when I get a chance, I'm going to pull over and just have a look at the map and see what route is taking us, and see if there's a better route. You know, I've just literally banged it in on the motorway quickly just to find the junction. But I always like to just check to see what route it's taking, because you know, sometimes it takes one of these crazy routes when you could have just found a better one yourself. It looks alright, looking at that briefly. Must be the River Severn, is it? Yeah, I suppose so. Eardiston, however you say it. I've been to Wales a lot of different ways. Probably have been down this road, but I can't remember coming down here. If it was the summer holidays now, this road would be way more busy than this. So nice. Just coming out now. It's a bit colder and the weather's not as good, but who cares? Get roads like this, nice and quiet, heading into Wales. Also, Elan Valley, when you go there in the summer, rammed. I've been there when there's nobody. I mean, I haven't been for a few years, but I've been there when there's absolutely nobody there. Why do dogs always want to go for motorbikes? So funny. They see them coming, they're like, come on, come on. You can see they're getting all leery before you even get near them. So Lempster's 5 miles down that way. We've got another 40 miles to go before we get to Elan Valley. Nice and sunny on this bit. Oh yeah. Lovely that bit. So guys, while we're just riding along here, I just want to say a big thank you to everybody who has subscribed to the channel, and all the people who like my videos and leave me comments. It's really nice, and it makes it all worthwhile as well. I just do this for fun. My videos aren't anything like extra special, they're just basic videos of me riding my bike around. That's all it is. All my videos are just me taking you with me on my rides. And when I get comments from people saying, oh, we went to the Lake Districts last week, or we went to North Wales, and you inspired us to go to these different places that you showed us. That really just makes it all worthwhile for me. So thanks guys, really appreciate it. This way is great because there's no motorways, just all A roads, B roads. Perfect. Here is the border. Welcome to Wales. So guys, everyone watching this video, do you ride BMWs or what have you got? What bikes do you all ride? Because I'm sure quite a lot of you don't just ride BMWs. I just ride BMWs at the moment. I could switch one day, but at the moment I definitely love this bike and wouldn't want to change it right now. The only thing I might change is the tyres at the moment. Get something better for the winter. But what bikes you all riding anyway? Let me know in the comments. And if you're on Instagram, maybe drop me your Instagram name, your Instagram tag, and I'll look you up on there and have a look. Or if you've got your own YouTube, I'll have a click on and have a look. Might even have to get the sunglasses out, look. The sun's blazing here. Got a cat looker at that, so it must be getting a bit more wild. It's just a little pass, isn't it? So here's Pennybont. So if this is the A44, we know this road. Definitely know this road. Yeah, usually I come down from this way, from the other way, so ahead of us. I'll be heading down from Shrewsbury to Newtown. I think you hit the A444 there, A44 sorry, which takes you down to Aberystwyth. So I've just come in a different way. Country life, eh? So we have made it to Rhayader, and now it gets really good from here. Well, it's been good up till here, but this is what we came for. So this is Rhayader town centre. We're going straight on towards Elan Valley. Elan. So what we got here? We'll go straight on then. We'll come back around all these areas afterwards. The visitor centre's then, I think that's where there's a cafe under the dam, which we'll see now when you go past it. So here's the first dam. And there's the cafe I was telling you about down there. There's our first dam there. Wow, what a place. So we've got our coffee ready. I'm going to sit over there, Have a nice coffee. As you can see, this river goes down under here, down there, and then over there into there, and then this road is actually closed, so there's no one coming down here at the moment. Lovely. Perfect. Well, that was a good place to have a coffee, wasn't it? Lovely. One way getting on the bike, isn't it? Push and jump on. Oh, this is great, this is. No point in going fast, is there? Just take it all in. You can see the water level's down quite a lot, look, over there. Let's have a look on this map, see where we're going. Because that footpath and cyclepath down there is brilliant, look. Goes for miles. Months. 3 months it's going to be closed for. I wanted to go down that way. I have to go around the other way and come back down because I want to go up that road, you see. I knew there was works going on anyway, so we'll just go around anyway because the best part of the dam I think is down that way.